Hi, it's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and I'm here today to unbox the 2022 Fat Quarter Shop Spooky Box. I loved the seasonal themed boxes that they do, and today I'm going to show you what's inside. There's some really fun things, and I'll just walk through all the products and give you some ideas about how you can use the fabric that's included. Let's get started. Okay, for all of you Halloween lovers out there, let's open the Fat Quarter Shop 2022 Spooky Box. These are always fun to see every year. They always have some really fun products included. And of course, most important is always the fabric. This is a Riley Blake collection called Bad to the Bone, and it's by My Mind's Eye. I'm just gonna open this up. Okay, so let's look at these fabrics. Really cute. Really would make a fun little table runner or a table topper or pillows. They're 10-inch squares, so you could actually do a throw quilt too. Get like one of these prints for your border fabric. And for backing, these colors are so great. You could just use any kind of a gray flannel, even from another company, just for a fun soft backing since it's getting cold out. Really cute. I love the polka dots and the text prints with kind of the Halloween font. Should probably turn that way. Just really the spider webs. I love the touch of the ginghams. It just kind of lightens it up. And all these little skeletons and the bats. This is really, really cute. Really a fun little collection. Okay, so that's Bad to the Bone, and it is 10-inch squares from Riley Blake. Okay, also there's a little surprise bag with a little black drawstring bag, and this is Quilter's Select Thread, and I believe there might be different colors in every box. I read the information card, so there might be a different color. And then also some binding clips, and those also, I'm not sure, they might be different colors. So I can always use a few more binding clips to add to my collection. This is just a little card that gives you all of the details about what is in the box, and there's also a promo code on this card for you to get a discount on any other Halloween or fall fabric that you purchase. So if you get some stuff to go with the 10-inch squares, you can use that code on that card. These are really nice. They're called Sew Tights, and this actually has a Halloween theme. They are, you use it instead of a pin. It's magnetized so that you can pin and they're really, really tight. They will hold something firmly. So the best way to do it is, you can see that if you want to put two fabrics together, that magnet just pulls that together and you can hold something together. These are really effective. They have them that aren't for Halloween, but this is just a cute little skeleton. So anyway, that's a fun little idea that you can always use, and yeah, that is really tight on there. Okay, thread conditioner, again with a Halloween theme. This is always good to put on your thread. It's just to keep your thread from knotting while you're sewing. So just another fun little item. There is a Quilter Select. You can scan the card on here and you can download free projects. So that was a fun addition to that as well. And then there is a pattern that does go with this fabric that you can use if you want. And it gives you all the directions and really cute, these little pumpkin type faces. So it's called the Scary Faces pattern. So that's what's in this year's Fat Quarter Shop Spooky Box. If you are a Halloween fan, you will definitely love this box. Okay, so that's it for the 2022 Fat Quarter Shop Spooky Box. Such a fun group of Halloween themed notions and of course the fabric. You can find the boxes. We'll put a link for the extra boxes that you can purchase from Fat Quarter Shop, and also be on the lookout. They always do a Christmas themed box, so be on the lookout for those pre-orders because I feel like those sell out very quickly. If you enjoyed today's video, please share it with a friend, hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much for stopping by.